delightful in the sauna. Everybody knows this little place called Sandlake. A place for family and friends. And a place for falling in love. A place for Christy and Honky Dinah, who all wants to take it to Cross Lake, Christmas Lake. Come on, grab a picnic, Chicago, Oswego. Christy, why don't we go out to Sandlake? We'll get there fast and take a cocktail cruise. That's where we wanna go. Up to the shores of Stanley, Chris and Paul. Their wedding's in the fall.